Hello friends, I am Lalit. I am starting a YouTube channel related to ETABS, STAT Pro softwares and the civil engineering related design of the buildings and analysis part of the buildings like that. And this is my first video of my YouTube channel. And this is in this video I am going to explain about the overview of the ETAB. And I have 4 years of experience and I am Tech pass out. Basically, I have 4 years of experience in RCC design. So now starting the lecture. This is the overview of ETAB. This is ETAB 2022. So this is overview of the ETAB, and we start a new model. After that, we have to use built-in setting. For we have to select a metric SI, then India, and this is code for steel designs. So we have to select IS 800 2007, and this is plain cement concrete IS 456 2000. Then click OK. And if you want to add grids like that, we can add the grid from here. Number of grid in X direction 4, number of grid in 4 direction, spacing between the grids in X direction we just provide 2, and in Y direction we also provide 2. So this is story dimensions. The number of stories 4, total height story 3, bottom height 3. We just click on grid only, then okay. We can use only blank also. So we are going to use grid only, then press OK. And the user this is the user interface of the ETAB, and it shows two windows. First is plan view, other one is 3D view. So we can add a new one more window from here, and we can remove this from by pressing on cross. So I am going in this video I am going to explain about the overview, about the settings of edit, view, define, about the all things, draw, select. I am going to explain you about all these properties. So let's start. In this we can start new model here from and we can open previous model also. We can close from it. These are the saves options. This is important. We can import DXF file also, and some other also. DXF 3D, DXF load, architectural, we can open it. This is export. We can export a save file also, and some 2K file also. Create pictures. We can create a report of the whole project, and we can capture the window in star skin and DXF also. So this is the file options, and this is the edit options. Here this is edit grid stories. We can edit the grid system and the height of the story and the elevations also. And we can change here grid system, which we provide ABCD 412, that the spacing of between them and that all. This is interactive database. We can add and change all the properties of beam from here, material, tendons, areas. These all the properties of this, and we can change load pattern, load cases combinations. These all the data of editables. This is replicate option. Replicate option is like that we can move, or we can copy one beam to other point at few distance. This is like that. Extrude. These all the commands I cannot explain in a single video. I am just going to tell you about the how the beams are provided here. This is the beam. We can provide like that. We can change the frame also. The setting of the frame we can provide IS like that. We have to press over here and just click here. This is the one beam. This is one beam. We can show it by 3D, and we can check it like that, because this is ISMB. I provide ISMB, so this is the ISMB. And we can come in plan. So we can also provide columns from here. So if we are doing that, this is the ISMB. We can also change the property of that, like that. This is ISMC, like that. This is we can directly provide without selecting the points. This is the option for this is direct group for the elevations, like that. Direct we can provide like that. This is nothing at all. This is the select property we have to provide by selecting 4 points, like that, like that, and like that. That is mix slab. And this is we just need to select 2 points, drag at another point, then it click OK, then it's create a slab. It is also like a slab. We can directly provide the slab between the grids. If we also draw, we can just provide a dimensions here, 1 meter by 1 meter, then click over there. This is like that. And this is used for the making the walls, like that. I am just click on one point and drag to another point. This is create a wall. This is directly we can directly provide the wall by just pressing at one point. And this is option for provide wall openings in the wall. And this is for draw links. We can draw the links like that. This is the link, draw links. It is just used to transfer the load direct to column. If the center line is missing, that not resting on the column, but in framing plan it is rested on column, then we provide link. It directly transfer all the movement forces to the column. This is direct track wall. Is also like for the elevations. New wall stack. This is for the elevations. And this is draw design strip. Design strip is used in slab and footings. That's why we are not going to use it. These are used for tendons and draw slab bar. So this is overview of the ETABS. Basically the overview how to how to model beams, how to model slabs, how to draw walls. This is like that. We have to draw beams, columns, walls, slab, and I already told how to draw these things in your ETABS. So this is basically a user interface, and I also told how to model these things. Thank you for watching this video, and in next video I will tell about how to model in a single building in all these things. Thank you so much.